Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and thank you so much for joining me in my craft room today. Happy Halloween. I hope you all have been enjoying my lots of Halloween inspiration, especially my Halloween on the last day of each month, which I didn't do today because it is Halloween. So I thought I would do a giveaway instead as a thank you to all of the people who watch my video, especially those that subscribe and come back to watch more. So I'm going to give away some of my favorite scrapbook.com basics. So I have a little package here. Let me open this up real quick. I'm going to jump over because this packaging is kind of loud, and I will show you everything inside. Okay, so first up, I have my mint tape. This is the 1-inch size. I use mint tape for everything, for die cutting, for masking, for keeping my stencils to my paper. This is my go-to repositional tape. I use it every single day and I reuse it until it's no longer sticky. Like, that's how much I savor and love my mint tape. I also have some dome foam applicators. I use these for all of my distressing through stencils, everything. I love these domed foam. There's no harsh edges and they just work really well on lots of different types of paper. I use it a lot on Nina as well as on Bristol Smooth cardstock, and they blend super well. This comes with 5 domed foams and 2 handles, so pretty awesome. Some 5-inch scissors with a soft comfort grip. They are the medium size that scrapbook.com offers. Stainless steel, sharp and lightweight, and like I said, it has a nice kind of like comfort grip inside so they don't hurt your hand. I also have 3 different kinds of adhesive rollers. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Okay, so the first one here is the dotted refillable adhesive roller. This is double-sided, acid-free, and translucent. I use dotted a lot if I'm not really sure where I'm going to secure something yet. So like a photo on a layout, or maybe I'm just playing around with the layout, but I need my object to stay in place. So the dotted is really nice for that. And then there's the permanent adhesive roller that's also refillable. So you can get, for both of these, new inserts to put into the casing. And this is a solid line, similar to the dotted, but again, a similar line. And I use this when I'm ready to secure my paper down. And then there's also the Deluxe adhesive roller, and this is 98 feet. This thing's massive. I just ran out on my desk. I thought about keeping this, but I wanted to give it away because it is such a great adhesive. I'll just get more later. And then, of course, last but not least is a magic mat for your die cutting needs. These are, what's the word I'm looking for? Not resealable. Self-healing. A self-healing mat that works with, I think, every machine. If you go to scrapbook.com, they'll give you the proper sandwich and what plates it replaces. I use this with my Big Shot, and you could use it for the spellbinders. I forget what they're called, but the Platinum, I think, or a Big Shot. I just got the Switch. It's sitting on the floor right now because I need to set up another table so I have more room for all my things. I don't even want to show you how crowded my poor little desk is, but I have the Switch and I'm so excited to use my magic mats. I have quite a few, so really excited to pass this along. So that is my scrapbook.com essentials package I'm giving away. I hope you're excited about it. Right now it's just for the US. I'm so sorry because shipping is not fun outside of the US. So please leave a comment down below. Let me know you're from the US. I will pick a winner, and if they are not from the US, maybe I'll send you a little gift certificate to scrapbook.com. So just let me know your country, and when I pick a winner, we'll see what country and who wins. I am also encouraging everyone, if you are a subscriber, you do not have to subscribe to win. This is just leave a comment in the comment section. But if you are a subscriber, I will throw in some stamp sets that I have extras of, just to have a little surprise in there as a huge thank you for being a subscriber. And then if you are also in my Make and Take Club on the Facebook group, I am 2 people away from 100 people in my group, and I'm going to do a giveaway in there as well. So if you don't win here, you could possibly win in the Make and Take Club because it's a smaller group. But if you're not a member, use the link in my description box to head over and join so I can do another giveaway over there, hopefully very soon, because like I said, just 2 people away from 100 members in my Facebook group. You can also find all of my stuff on Instagram, which I always have linked down below, my blog, everything. But this is just a way to say thank you. I appreciate all of you for taking the time to watch my videos, taking the time to comment on my videos, and hitting that like button. It really means a lot to me, and it helps me get out there. And an even bigger thank you to those who use my affiliate links. It means the world to me that people like what I do and help support me and my channel to be able to do more. It does cost money to have different aspects of a YouTube channel, so it just means a lot to me that you are all so willing to use my links. But I love you all. Happy Halloween, and I will announce the winner 1 week from today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll click like, and if you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. As always, you can find everything I use down below in the description box. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye!